Hello everyone, hope you can hear my voice and see the screen. I welcome you all to another live session of PG's Masterclass. And as always, we are going to review our performance first of these live sessions, and then we will move forward and do some analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks to find out some trades. So let's first review our performance. So from the very beginning of my live sessions, I started my live session on 16th October 2022, and I said the market will be bullish, and it remained bullish. It was a success and the prices moved up. 23rd October, I said, okay, the market is going to be bullish, and it was a success. Price moved up, created a green candle, and market moved up. 30th October, again, I said market will remain bullish, and again, price moved up, created a red candle that week. A green candle that week, and market moved up. 6th November, again, I said market will remain bullish, and market did it. Market created a green candle in weekly chart, and market moved up. 13th November, again, I said market will remain bullish. In this case, price did gapped up. Price did gapped up and created a base candle in the chart. But the color of the base candle was red. So I said, okay, I am partially correct. I was expecting a green candle, but I got a red candle. That can sometime happen. So I said, okay, I am partially success. I got partial success that I was bullish. It was a somewhat bullish candle, but the color of the candle was red. Next, again, on 20th November 2022, I said market will again move up and achieve my target. There was a nifty trade which I have given, and the target needs to be achieved. And what happened? This last week, market moved up, created another green candle. So this is overall my performance, whatever weekly predictions I have given. Now let's see the investment predictions which I have given during 23rd October 2022. I gave two investment calls, one in Glenmark and another in Bank Baroda. The Glenmark entry was around 398.20, and for Bank Baroda, the entry was around 143.55. For Glenmark, the target was 1342.80, that is almost 237.22% return on investment. And for Bank Baroda, the target was 291.4, that is 100.103%. Now, this investment calls I have given on 23rd October 2022. Since then, Bank Baroda has achieved 20.31%. That's huge. I mean, it's just 1 month, 3 days. Look at any fixed deposits, the rate of any fixed deposits. You will find the maximum fixed deposit rates are around 9%, and that too per annum. That interest you get in after putting your money for 1 year. And here we are able to get 20.31% return on investment in just 1 month, 3 days time. That's awesome. Now I will let this trades go on until my target happens. On the other hand, the Glenmark, also achieved 9.74% by now. That's awesome. Both the investments has given very good return. If somebody wants to book it right now, they will definitely make some good money for the year. So both my investment calls are making good money. The last thing I did, I analyzed couple of swing trades, and what I gave trades in Nifty, I gave trades in Bank Nifty, I gave trades in Axis Bank, icicibank, again on Nifty. So couple of trades I have given. 16th October I gave a trade on Nifty, and this was a long trade, and it achieved 416.85 points in just 3 days. If any of you have, or even me, if traded this with only one lot of Nifty, think one lot of Nifty is 50 shares. So if you have traded with only 50 shares, one lot, still with 416.85 points, you would have made 20,842.50. Friends, I believe that 97% of our population earns less than 20,000 in a month. So this is a very good amount, even with one lot. Trading Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks, with this price action concepts, you can earn this much amount very easily. And if you can earn this every month, then you can really become a full-time trader, because what you need at the end of the day is to make money and run your expenses. So this is a nice trade which happened in October 2022, and it gave us around 28,842.50. Then I gave couple of Bank Nifty trades, but unfortunately we didn't got fill. So when we do not get fill, we have to wait for another opportunity. So at that time, what we do is, as a price action trader, we cancel the trade. And that is what I did. I simply cancel the trade. We will see it later on. If price ever comes down to that level, we will decide at that time, based on the approach of the price, that what we should do. Whether we should trade that level again, or we should not trade that level. So that decision we will take later. So as of now, as because price has moved up, that's why I closed these trades. We have not got fill, and I have closed these trades. So even Axis Bank trade I have closed this week because we haven't got fill and price started moving up. So when price started moving up, many things changes, the price structures change, and as price structure changes, the outcome of the trade also changes. If you have, say, 5:1 order, that can reduce to 1:1. You never know. So approach is very important, the price structures are very important, and hence if price is not coming right now to our entry, then and moving up above, then we should avoid those trades for now. We should reanalyze them and then think of taking a trade. So Axis Bank I have closed without the reason being no fill. Then I have given a trade on icicibank on 30th October 2022. My entry was 900.70, my stop was 880.05, my target was 954. And this trade already achieved 2.05:1 RR. The target revert to risk is 2.58.1 RR. So when in price action, I said how I do price action. First I find the trend, then I look for the trap zones, and ultimately I do risk management. Without risk management, we do not play. So as the price of ICICI Bank has moved up more than 1:1, we have done a de-risking in this chart. We have booked a certain numbers of shares here, so that even if now price goes to my stop at 880 at 0.05 and hits my stop, still in this trade I will never ever make a loss. So this trade is now risk free. This is how trades can be made risk free. Then I have also given a trade on Nifty dated 6th November 2022. The charts are here, you can see it. This was another long trade. I gave the long trade from 17,992.20. That was my entry. The stop was 17,852 and the target was 18,500. It was it was a 507.80 points target trade. My stop points were 140 points and the risk to reward in this trade was 3.62:1. My dear friends, this trade has achieved its target last Friday. Hence, this is a success trade. We have been able to earn 507.80 points in this trade. So October month, one trade, we have got fail. We made around 416.85 points in Nifty. November month, we got one trade in Nifty. It gave 507.80 points. So in a way, if we would have played this, if we would have taken these two trades, then in October with one lot also, we would have made 20,842.50, and in your November we would have made 25,390. So this is the power of price action. It gives very good trades. Right now, Axis Bank also, one lot of Axis Bank is 700 right now. So if you, the points which we have achieved till now, if we have booked our trade, if I book my trade right now, then I will earn 29,540. So that much profit is already the ICICI Bank trade is running with. So yes, I am expecting my full target in ICICI Bank, and let's see how it happens, what it does. So that's the review for my predictions, whether it is swing trade, whether it is investments, whether it is market predictions. I think last 6-7 weeks I have done pretty good, and let's see how it happens in the future. So with this I conclude the performance review. Let's go. Yes, Ninja, visit. ICICI lot size is 1325, but it is still November, and from December it will become 700. You can check it in NSE, right? So lot sizes have changed. If I take 700, you cannot trade with 1325 lot because it will end. The lot size has changed. Okay, so you can check that. So let's start our analysis. Hello everyone, I am Prashanjit and I will be doing the analysis for you. Hope you are enjoying my analysis and learning price action from this analysis. So let's start today's analysis. You might have seen always whenever I start my analysis, I start it from the monthly chart. I never start it from the lower time frame. Why? Because if you understand price action, you will always know the lower time frame, even 1 minute, the trends of lower time frame ultimately follows the higher time frame trend, right? So if I know the higher time frame trend, it gets easier for me to handle all the time frames. That is why I use the monthly chart first, do my trend analysis, and then I try to find out the trades. So as discussed before, what is the way we are going to analyze? The first thing is we are going to find out the trend. Then once we know the trend, we will look for the trap zones. If we get a trap zone which is good, then we will think of trading it. And when we are going to trade a trap zone, we will do extensive risk management. What is risk management? Risk management is planning your trades. I mean, planning your entry, planning your stop, planning your target, planning how to de-risk the trade, planning where you are going to book your shares, how many shares you are going to book, how many shares you are going to buy. So all those stuffs we pre-plan using risk management concepts. So whatever trades we enter or whatever trades or analysis we do, we pre-plan each bit of it, and then only we go for an analysis. So let's start with the trend. As you know, how I define trend? First thing, I check how much steepness this trend has made. Okay, if it is very, very steep, then what happens? We expect that the trend will change very, very soon. Even if it is running very strongly, if you feel so many green candles, if you feel good, believe me, when it is steep trend, it breaks even faster, right? So here in Nifty, I can see the trend is very, very steep. And if I draw a trend line here, somewhere here, or maybe I make it a little, fine tune it, then what you see is that a very steep trend line has already been broken and price is trying to retest it. So now the trend, as far as trend goes, the trend is very, very steep and it can break any moment. It has already broken and the retest is happening. Now, if you remember my October analysis and even November analysis, I said this October monthly candle is going to become a green momentum candle, as well as the November month we are going to see some kind of a move up and another green momentum candle form. So we can see that price really made two green candles. Yes, we have 3 more days to complete this this cycle, the November month, but still I feel the candle is will close as a green candle. Now, when in my last session, in a couple of last sessions, I said that there is a 3-drive pattern. 3-drive pattern, descending 3-drive pattern is a bullish pattern. And how to trade it? Once the trend line or the neckline gets engulfed, then price retraces back, and on the retracement we can go long. And that is what happened. I mean, continuously price moved up and it broke this Quasimodo, which I predicted beforehand that this Quasimodo will break over the time. Now, price has come very near to all-time high. Is it going to make all-time high? Is it going to make 20,000 right or 21,000 now? Because if you look at any YouTube channel or many predictions come in the day everywhere, everyone is expecting a breakout, everyone is expecting that the prices will go up, right? Because price has started making green candles. And price definitely moving out of three drive pattern. Three drive patterns are bullish and it worked already. So the three drive pattern had worked already. Now, what I think about Nifty? I think that the current trend of Nifty in a daily chart is very steep. Okay, it's extremely steep, and that's why I expect it to break. Right? This trend line is very steep. It has already engulfed the trend line, retested the trend line. Now this is the second retest. I expect it to come down. Right? Now, will it come down directly from this area or it will make a higher high? That we will see. My expectation is that from 18,533 to 19,022 is a resistance for Nifty. This resistance I have calculated based on Elliott and Fibonacci. Now, if Nifty is able to break this resistance, then you can expect it to go up and make 20,000, 21,000, not a problem. But until this resistance is taken out, it will be very difficult for Nifty to move up further. What I personally believe that price has created some kind of a channel at the top. Okay, so this is a broadening wedge which has got created, and my expectation is even if price tomorrow goes up a little, test this higher upper boundary, it will have to come down. So the trade which I have given, the long trade, has achieved its target, and I have placed the target where I was expecting that the price will turn. This is a turning point analysis which I am doing. So from this area, as because I have a channel now, broadening wedge, talking about broadening wedge, which is also a type of channel. If a broadening wedge is ascending, the bias for it is said to be bearish. So that is why when price goes up to this trend line, I expect the broadening wedge to take the price down to at least to this level. Once it comes down, then we will decide what to do next. But yes, one thing, as a price action trader, we do not trade the all-time high. Understand, we do not have much of a good level here, and this is all-time high. Prices never visited this area, right? So I am not going to short at the top, right? Rather, as a price action trader, the way I have taught you before, I will wait for price to break and create a lower low. This is higher high, this is higher low, this is higher high again, and if price comes down, breaks this low, creates a lower low, then on retracement I will go for a short trade. So why I'm looking for the break of the higher low? Because that is a confirmation. Once the confirmation comes, then we will enter a trade. So as of now, what I am thinking this week, price might go up a little bit at the beginning of the week, and then it might start coming down. If it comes down and breaks this low, then next week we might get a good, lovely short trade. If this doesn't happen, I mean, as a price action trader, I need to think both ways. Every time as a price action trader, we go and analyze, we do not think in one-sided. Okay, so here, as because I am seeing this broadening wedge, I am thinking price will go down. But what if sometimes, I mean, if you look at the conventional patterns, they sometimes break, but the chances are say 10%, 20% chance it will break. So that is why, as a price action trader, I am not going to take a short trade from the top. I'm going to wait for this break of the higher low, and then I will take the short trade. That is the confirmation that the price is going down. And on the same way, as I said before, as a price action trader, I'm not only looking at the short trade, but I'm also looking at the long trade. So how to go long? Similarly, I will wait, let price break this area, price break 19,022.23, and then on retracement I will go long. Okay, so I have very clear mind what I am going to do as a price action trader. In the coming day, I am going to wait and watch. Not every time you should be trading. Sometimes you should be observant. Once you observe, you get the best trades. And believe on me, we will still make money this month also, if we are observant, if we are patient, and if we want to trade the right way. So this is my analysis for Nifty. What I am expecting, this week price will go up a little, and then middle of the week it should come down and maybe creating a red candle or a bearish candle. So let's see how it happens. Bank Nifty. Similar to Nifty, as I have described before, the Bank Nifty is right now making a very steep trend. So when the trend is steep, we expect the trend to break. And that is what happened. The trend has been broken and price is retesting. Is this very looking, if you look at this rally, very strong candles are making the green candles. As I described before, both the months became green candle. But with this, if I go to lower time frame, you will see all these levels are tested. The one good level is there in Bank Nifty, which can be traded, which is way below. I mean, price has to travel so much to come down to this point. So above, near the current market price, I do not have any trap zone. So what will be my expectation? My expectation will price will come down to this level at least. Now here also, if I look at this trend, if I draw the trend from here, you will see the trend has already been engulfed and retest happening. So what we can expect price to come down here. So similar to Nifty, I think Bank Nifty is also going to come down this week. A lot of compression is there, Yeah, I mean, if price starts coming down, nothing to hold it back here. In Bank Nifty hourly chart, we see that this is a higher low which got faked out. This is a very important signal. If price goes up once more, and then price comes down and engulfs this low, then on retracement we will go short till that level. So that can be a very big trade in coming days. But we are not going to go long here, because look at this, what happens in a steeper trend, that good levels also get stopped out. And that is why I never give a long trade when the trend is too steep. Okay, so from here though the level is faked out, I still believe that the price will go up, make one more maybe move up, and then if it comes down and breaks, engulfs the low on retracement, I will be giving you a short trade. So this is how I predicted the bank nifty before, and this is how I will be doing my analysis in coming days. We first look at the trend. If the trend is steep, we will expect it to break, and then once a higher low gets engulfed, that's the time when we should take a turning point trade. So what I am expecting in Nifty and Bank Nifty, I am expecting a turning point now. Everybody is expecting that there will be a breakout, right? Everybody is expecting that there will be a breakout. But this chart has many examples. If you do a lot of back testing, you will see that price has made breakout, and thereafter the biggest fall have happened in the chart. So breakout, what we consider as breakout, I mean, not always good for scrape or the index. Like if I take you to the Nifty, just doing a back testing and trying to show you what happened last time in Nifty, okay? So let's go to a little bit in the past, and this was the big fall, right? 2020 big fall. And what happened? Price was moving up, and then this is the breakout, right? This is the breakout. After the breakout, what happened? Price dropped, and price dropped. What happened? The higher low got engulfed, and look at the fall. If you were a price action trader, you would have been able to take that trade. And what was the trend doing? Look at this. Isn't it steep? Isn't it steep? So I did a backtesting in front of you to prove my point. So this is how I trade price action, and this is the real price action. Okay, so when this trend is steep and then the higher low gets broken, you get the biggest of the trade. Much more in the PG's Masterclass course. So we have much more. I mean, you can learn a lot from the PG's Masterclass about these concepts. So ICICI Bank, I have given this trade. Just a follow up on this. I have given this trade from this trap zone, and price has moved up. Last week I said if it breaks this high, then we can expect our target. So the high has been taken out, and price has created one level here, one trap zone here, right? And price has returned to the trap zone. We have couple of levels below also. So what I expect the price of ICICI Bank to go up and give my target. My target was 154. So it go up and give my target. Right now, this trade has already achieved 2:1 RR. This is a beautiful trade which is happening. Hope you liked my analysis. So with this, I conclude today's session. Hope you liked the analysis. Hope you learned a lot. If you have learned a lot, if you are liking my analysis, please do share, like, and subscribe. Click on the bell mark, and also write your comments. Let me know what you were thinking. Thank you so very much for joining my live session. Thank you.